This is where it all started, here at the WMC in Cardiff. My very first opera here was The Rake's Progress. I remember at the time it was Jennifer Hill and Tim Rhys-Evans encouraging me to come every weekend to rehearse for the youth opera, taking a little break from working in Marks and Spencer's to earn pocket money to survive in London. And here we are at the WMC and my debut for Welsh National Opera in Eugene Onegin. I've got my morning coffee, we'll go to the practice room, try a few exercises, try and wake up the voice and the body, ready for rehearsal. Here we go into the chorus room. It's a fairly bigger practice room than the ones downstairs. I love languages, I love music, and I love drama, well, on the stage. And I love getting to visit new countries, new cities, different cultures, and getting to meet amazing creative artists across the world, ultimately. Eugene Onegin is a very romantic story with the young heroine Tatyana falling head over heels in love with him as soon as she sees him. She declares all her feelings in a letter, which is probably one of the most famous parts of the opera, is the letter aria. What's great about singing Tchaikovsky's music is that it is just so hauntingly beautiful. It's very romantic, and I feel like for my voice and the colour of my voice, it really suits the Russian repertoire. The music at the beginning of the letter scene, for me, it represents the butterflies in your stomach, where you're not sure whether you should do this or you shouldn't, but you're going to anyway. And so it's actually quite nice as a performer to be able to feel the fear or the nerves or the anticipation of essentially 13 minutes on stage by yourself. There are still moments in it, there are pensive moments, there are explosions of emotional outbursts, and I'm getting excited just talking about it now, actually. I mean, it's just a real gift of a role and a gift of a scene for any soprano. When I woke up this morning, I realised that people were going to be coming to see the performance and that I would see them afterwards, and it brought back memories to when I was doing Welsh National Youth Opera. And I was just thinking to myself about the journey that I've made since being in the youth opera, and some 10 years later, that I am going to sing on the big stage, the real stage, with an orchestra, and to sing one of my most favourite roles with the big company. So I really feel this week as though I'll be stepping into the big girl shoes, which is what I've always wanted to do. And I feel extremely honoured and privileged and completely excited for it.